Most people think this will protect them, but in many Ghanaian homes, it won't trip when it should. And when it fails, that's when the electric fires and electric shocks happen. This is a typical distribution board setup that I've seen in Ghana. Everything in your house depends on these breakers working properly. If they don't, you're not protected. This is one of the most common problems I see throughout the land. Too many cables forced into a single breaker, or one breaker supplying far more load than it was designed to. So instead of protecting one circuit, it's trying to protect everything. And when a fault happens, it may not trip when it should. You think you're protected, but you're not. The second issue is installation quality. If connections inside the board are not done properly, you get heat instability and unreliable operation. A breaker depends on proper connections to detect faults correctly. If that's compromised, the protection is compromised. And again, it may not trip when you need it to. Now, here's something most people don't even consider. The breaker itself might be the problem. Not all breakers are equal. Some installations use low quality on our unverified devices. They look the same, but internally they don't perform the same. So under fault conditions, they don't trip properly.
Are you looking to build your dream home in Ghana? Or are you building already? Would you benefit from regular site visits to monitor your building and receive regular progress reports? Well, if that's the case, and that's you, look no further. Asher and Gad Consultancy at your service. We offer the following services: electrical design, construction monitoring inspections, site progress reports, consultation for all items MEP, witnessing of testing and commissioning, periodic snagging, vetting of specialist subcontractors. We also report site activities to you to hopefully help you spend your money efficiently and much, much more. Get in contact for your building needs. Details on the screen. Asher and Gad Consultancy, making Africa home again, one family at a time.
And that's where the real danger is. But here's the biggest issue. Most homes are never tested. No proper verification, no confirmation that the breakers actually trip. So everything looks fine, but no one really knows. And that's a risk. If you're building or buying in Ghana, don't assume this is working just because it's installed. Protection only works if it's properly selected, installed, and verified. Otherwise, it's just there for appearance. I've seen this across multiple properties, and the problem is always the same: false confidence. If you're serious about safety, get it checked properly. Hope you enjoyed that, guys. From Gadis Chemesia and from me, guys, Yebeshia. See you next time.